Hey everyone! Today, I'm doing something totally wild. I'm going to try a hair care routine inspired by Rapunzel. Yes, you heard that right. The princess with hair so long. It practically touched the sky. But this isn't just a fairy tale. I'm blending ancient beauty secrets with modern science to see if Rapunzel's legendary locks are more than just a story. Let's see if her routine actually works today, or if it's all just fantasy. Rapunzel's hair has captivated people for centuries. It wasn't just her signature feature. It was a symbol of beauty and mystery. But what was her secret? Was it all magical? Or did she have a daily routine that kept her hair in perfect condition? I set out to answer that question. I wasn't just looking for a basic routine. I wanted to try something that combined ancient beauty practices with modern science. Could these ancient rituals really transform my hair in a week? Let's find out. First up, oils. Rapunzel probably didn't have access to modern shampoos, so she likely relied on natural oils for her hair care. I mixed coconut oil, castor oil, and rosemary oil into my routine. These oils are packed with fatty acids, antioxidants, and compounds that help with growth, moisture, and scalp health. As I massaged this blend into my scalp, I couldn't help but imagine Rapunzel doing the same. It felt so soothing and reminded me that hair care is as much about self-care as it is about beauty. Next, I turned to herbal rinses, something Rapunzel probably used. Instead of harsh shampoos, she might have turned to nature's gifts. I used a blend of green tea, chamomile, and lavender. Green tea is full of antioxidants that promote growth. Chamomile lightens and softens, and lavender improves scalp health. After steeping the herbs and pouring the liquid over my hair, I could immediately tell the difference. My hair felt lighter, softer, and smelled amazing, kind of like I'd spent the day in a wildflower field. Here's a big lesson I learned. Healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. Rapunzel's beautiful hair wasn't just about her strands. It was about nurturing her scalp. I added scalp massages with jojoba and peppermint oils to my routine. Jojoba is perfect for moisturizing without grease, and peppermint stimulates circulation, giving your scalp a little extra love. As I massaged it in, I felt like I was connecting with Rapunzel's more peaceful moments, tending to her hair in solitude. Rapunzel's hair was long and exposed to the elements, so I'm sure she used some form of protective styling. I started braiding my hair before bed. Braids help reduce friction, prevent breakage, and keep hair from drying out. This small step helped lock in moisture and protect my hair while I slept. I could see how Rapunzel, even in her tower, might have braided her hair to protect it from damage. After a week of following this Rapunzel-inspired routine, I'm noticing real changes. My hair is softer, shinier, and healthier overall. While I didn't get Rapunzel-length hair overnight, it feels stronger, less brittle, and way more resilient. The combination of oils, herbal rinses, scalp care, and protective styling really paid off. So maybe there's a little magic in Rapunzel's routine after all. After trying out Rapunzel-inspired hair care, I can confidently say that there's real magic in self-care. It's not about using every product under the sun. It's about consistency, patience, and finding what works for you. Whether you're after long hair or just healthier strands, this routine taught me that hair care is all about nurturing your scalp and being kind to your hair. If you loved this experiment, hit that thumbs up, share your own hair secrets in the comments, and subscribe for more beauty adventures.